In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if a game or app will not launch or open on your Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and go up to My Games and Apps. And what you need to do is go ahead and head into your queue if you have a queue going on. Let's just go ahead and start updating one of these games so that we could see this queue, or you could just go to manage and then open up the queue just like so. If nothing is updating, try restarting your console by holding down on the Xbox button on your controller and then selecting restart, and then try launching the game again. If the issue still isn't fixed though, you have a couple of options. Obviously you can highlight the game, and let's just go ahead and say the game that we are trying to, launch is not launching is Fortnite, right? You could highlight it, hit the option or menu button on your controller, and then from here you can go to manage game and add-on. You can uninstall it and then you can head into the Microsoft Store and download it again. But if you don't want to delete the game, another option is resetting your console. I'd say this is arguably worse, but you just go into your settings and then your system settings, your console info, and then select reset console. And then you're going to be prompted to choose reset and keep my games and apps. This just refreshes your system without deleting any installed games and can fix issues like this. But once your console does restart, try launching the game again. If it still doesn't work, you're going to just have to reinstall the game anyways, so you might as well just do that. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.